Look at these. Cute. Like these. Yeah, these are my favorite color. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, I love the prints on these. They're so cute. They're okay. I love them. Oh, look, they're making these bigger now. These are new. These are cute. I got a smaller version. I got this last year in a different shape, but these are pretty cool. And the cats. Very serious cats. And doggies. And elephants. Oh, elephants are supposed to be good luck. So cute.
You're so enthusiastic.
I'm excited. Oh. Those are pretty expensive usually. So good buy at $125. Pretty good. Oh, my favorite pens. I got enough now. No, Optimus felt the pens on purple. Cute. Avocado thingies. Oh look, they have the LED rechargeable refill things. Strawberry. These are pretty cool. They remind me of fall.